Hi guys, yes, it's me and I'm back again. If you haven't watched my last video, please watch my last video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe and go back to all my other videos. I bought two Charlotte Tilbury Black Friday mystery boxes, which was available. One was $185, which is this one here, and I have done the unboxing in my previous video, so please go back there. And I also bought the expensive $275 mystery box. This is the Icon mystery box, I think. Icon's mystery box for the Cyber Week 2021. It is quite heavy, which I'm really happy about. I think this is the one that has a lot of discussion in regards to people are not very happy with this box. However, to be honest, I was kind of disappointed when I saw the unboxings from a few other YouTubers, but then I realized they were not from Australia. The people from Canada were getting different products from the people in UK and also the US. I didn't watch any other countries unboxing, but I am from Australia, so the products you see here are for the Australia Black Friday Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. Every single country are slightly different, maybe varies. I know for sure Australia's box is completely different from anything I've seen on YouTube, so mine might be the first video that you see. So this is the Icon's mystery box. It is $275 and it contains 9 full-size products. This one was $185 and it contains 7 mystery products. It did not state whether or not they're full size, travel size, deluxe size, so that's why they gave some deluxe size in there. So what I'll do is I'll open this, and as I mentioned in the previous video, just in case you did not watch it, because I purchased both of the mystery box and it took me way above like $350, I had some gift of purchase. Sorry for those who've seen this, but this is just for those who did not see the previous video for the Day to Disco box. So I had 3 free samples, three free products, full size, that was worth $190. I had the hot lips, and it was glowing gin. I also had the cheek to cheek. This is the blusher as well, and this is one of the products I duplicated in the box I'm going to show you later. And then we also had the the color coded eyeshadow, which is Charlotte Tilbury's famous eyeshadow for palettes. So these are all here. If you want to see the unboxing of those, please click on the previous video which was the Day to Disco, and you can see the unboxing of it. So it did come with 3 boxes, which I think is very nice. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll unbox it for you now. Oh, it's heavy. So if I just open this, so here we go. So this is the products. Wow, it's full. And this is the box. This is the box, and it's full of stuff right here. It's actually quite full, isn't it? So what I do is I'll go through the products. Please tell me if you have the same products in your country. I know for sure Canada, UK and US don't have the same as Australia. There's one particular picture, like the mystery item, which no other country has. So I'll go through it, and I'm very excited to see what it is. So everyone knows what this is, and this is one reason why everyone wanted to get the box. Is the box all had the magic cream, but I know we have the 30 mils, Canada had 50 mils, and this is the cream. So the way I see them open it, I just love the way it is. So it's 2 sides. It's very pretty, isn't it? So like this, you open it like this. There you go. It's really pretty. So it is such a very pretty display piece. How luxury does this look? So this is a 30 mil, and the 30 mil is worth $90 from my memory, guys. I think $90. So this is the instant turnaround moisturizer, and I don't think I'll be using this every day. I'll be using this on special occasions when I go out for functions. So this it is, and once you open it, you have 12 months to use it. that's product number 1. Number 2, we also have the Pillow Talk. So this was, we have a Pillow Talk Diamonds. Not everyone, again, I know there's another country had this, I don't remember which one, but not everyone had this in their box. So this one, I'll open it this way. And once you open this, you have 18 months to use it. So I'll use it in 18 months, I hope. It's lipstick. I think lipstick you can use for a while. So this is what it looks like. How pretty is that? Wow. Love it. Such a beautiful product, isn't it? And this color is Lucky Diamonds. Then we have, I won't open this up. I think a lot of you have already seen the unboxing. You haven't had a look at the other one because apparently this mascara is not meant to be that good. I don't wear mascaras. I'm planning to give this away. This is a full size. I'm planning to give this away to my boyfriend's sister, and it's the Full Fat Lashes. It is 8 mils or 0.7 ounces. And it's made in Ireland, but yeah, people were not happy. I wish they did give the Pillow Talk. I do have the full size Pillow Talk mascara, and I got that in the Space NK advent calendar too. So that's another one. So far I've seen all these products in the mystery boxes. So definitely the mascara is in all mystery boxes I've seen, and the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream is also in all boxes I've seen. The only difference is that different sizes. And the Pillow Talk Diamond Glossy Star Lit Sparkling Lip Looks, this one is not all in all boxes in my memory, maybe I'm wrong, but that's Pillow Talk as well. So far there are Pillow Talk products. And then I see another one, and this is the Luxury Palette of Pops, and this is the Pillow Talk. So this one and the one I showed you before is not the same because you can see the box is very different. I'll just open this for you to have a look. So once this is open, you have 30 months to use it. That's what it means if you see the jar. So let me just open this to show you. So it's like this. And it looks different. So the other one I had one glitter. These are all glitter and metallic color. How nice does that look? Beautiful. So that's a Pillow Talk. So another Pillow Talk, 2 Pillow Talk products. Then next, so we've got, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 products out of 9. So I've got 5 more to go. Then this one I opened in the previous video. Please go and have a look. So this is the Cheek to Cheek blusher. So I opened it already in the other one, so I won't open it again. So if you want to have a look, please go to my previous video. Oh, sorry, it's not, yeah, it's in this one, but it wasn't given in the Day to Disco box. It was actually given in the free gift as I shown before. So yeah, there you go. And then we've got the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. And okay, so this one doesn't say that if you open it you have to use it in certain months, so I'll have to open it. So this is the Bedroom Black. That's just a normal, it looks a bit weird, doesn't it? I don't know, something looks a bit odd in the, so it's quite, yeah, something looks, it's broken. Look, it's broken. I didn't even use it, but it's broken. How is that possible? Damn it. I'm going to email Charlotte Tilbury and tell her because it is broken. Ugh, annoying, isn't it? And they usually send you out a new product as well. I know the customer service is really good, so I will contact them for that. Then I've got Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. I have never used this before. Very interesting. This is the blush rose color. Oh, I'm opening this again to show you. So there's no direction how to use it. I don't know how to use this. Oh. What? Okay. So once I use this, I only got 6 months to use it. So how do you use this? I would just need to look it up. So it's a lip tint. Okay, so it's, oh, so it's for your lip and cheeks. That's fine. I can use this for my lips then, not my cheeks. I won't open it because once you open it, you've got 6 months to use. So that's what it is. I heard it's not that good, but it looks pretty. Oh, and then we've got Kissing Falling from the Lipstick Tree. Open this again. So it's a lipstick. So far, the products are really good. I'm really happy with the products. So it's this. Oops. Beautiful color, nude, nudie pink. Beautiful. Close it up. Put it here. In we go. And now we've got the last product, which is a product that I have not seen in any other mystery boxes but Australia. And I'm very happy with Australia mystery box because we got another palette. So this palette is the Stone Rose Beauty. It's the instant look in a palette. It has 5 minutes face on the go. The look express 5 minutes. So inside there's, so it's this. Yep. So inside there is there's 3 eyeshadow color, 1 face bronzer, two blushes and a highlighter. So let's open this. Okay, here we go. So it looks like this at the back. It looks like this at the front. Oh, sorry. Looks like this at the front. And I think this is about $100. So really nice. I prefer this over the perfume and perfume. Oh wow. As people in Australia, if you haven't received your mystery box and you're very curious to see what the other product is, it's this. So I'm very sure you guys will be very happy. As I discussed with a couple of people in one of the videos, you get another palette worth $100. I'm very curious to see what other country has this palette, but so far I've only seen Australia has it. I'm very happy with it. It's very beautiful. So 3 eyes on the top, 2 cheeks, 1 and 2 face, which is so 2 cheeks, 2 face. Yeah, really nice. So that's it, guys. That is the end of the unboxing of the Icons mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury 2021 Black Friday. If you liked the video, please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I am looking to do the unboxing of the Christmas Mysteries box from Black Swallow by Jeffree Star. I think I better stop now. I've got that many mystery boxes. I think I'm going out of control. And because I've got so many products, my boyfriend actually bought me a makeup case. I don't think you guys can see. I'll do a video of it. It is there. It's all the way there. And because I've got so much, it's filled up. I have to have a separate one. It's actually very nice. So you open this. That's all my products. Unused, by the way, guys. And then we've got ones unused, the used ones on the side. But yeah, this is really nice rose gold one. I really like it. Very happy with this. So as you can see, I've got a few things there. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you shortly. Bye.